Hello everyone, welcome to the 5-minute lecture series for NABARD Grade A 2021, and today's topic is Seed Village. To our new viewers, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you never miss any video, and also do join our Telegram channel where we provide free study material for your examination. And are you feeling lucky today? If you are, try your luck with us where you can get up to 50% off just by spinning the wheel. The link is given in the description box where you can spin and win up to 50% off in our NABARD Grade A 2021 examination. So what is a seed village? Basically, we know that seed, it is the basic requirement for the production of any crop, right? And what happens in this particular organization, what we do, instead of cultivating any particular crop, we cultivate seeds only. Basically, our aim is not to get any vegetables but to get the seed. Okay. And why the whole village do the same thing? Basically, what happens when we are cultivating or harvesting seeds, okay, we need it for genetic purity. Okay, so if only one farmer is doing so, there are a lot of chances that it can crossbred and the variety can be genetically impaired, and that is why the whole village, they cultivate the same kind of seed and for the production of same kind of variety, right? And that is why this particular concept is known as what? This particular concept is called seed village. Okay, so what is the importance of seed? Basically, first of all, to increase the yield. Basically, yes, a seed, it is a basic unit. So if it is of good quality, the yield automatically it increases by 15 to 20%. Okay. Apart from that, see what happens. Usually the scientists suggest that if you are using any hybrid crop, the seed of it should be changed every year, and if you are using any non-hybrid crop, then the seed of it should be changed in every 2 to 3 years. Okay, why is it for? Because to avoid the uh, inbreeding depression. Okay, so basically that is why we need seed. If we have to change it, so we need seeds. Okay, so that is why to increase this seed replacement rate, the seed village concept came into existence. Now, for establishing seed village, there are some terms. First is seed production of different crops. Okay, so what type of seed do we cultivate in this particular system? We cultivate the only the foundation and certified seed classes. Okay, and secondly, how do we select an area? Basically, we look at if the irrigation facility is good or not, what are the climatic conditions, and are they suitable for what type of crop. Apart from that, we look at labor availability, what is the knowledge of the farmer regarding that particular crop, and we also look at the history, that what kind of crops have been grown there and what kind of pest and disease infestation has been taken place there. Okay, and about the seed supply, now who supplies seeds to the farmers? Basically, the Krishi Vigyan Kendra, okay, KVKs and research station, they give the seed to the farmer at 50% subsidy. Okay, do not get confused. Yes, we are cultivating, our motive is seeds, yes, but for that also we have to cultivate a plant, and how that plant gonna grow? From seed only. So these seeds, they are provided by KVKs and research station at what? At 50% subsidy. Okay, and what is capacity building? Okay, basically capacity building means building the skills in the farmer. Okay, so basically 3-day training is given to the farmer, and not consecutively but on different days. First training is given during the time of sowing, in which basically it is taught what should be the isolation distance and things like that, and what agronomic practices should the farmer perform during this time period and all that. Okay, second 1-day training is during the flowering of plant. Okay, so if there is any offset, it should be removed or not, right? And what could be the maturity time of it, of all the crops and all that, these things are taken care during the second 1-day training. And in the third 1-day training, which is after harvest, basically the farmer is taught how to treat the seed. Okay, seed treatment basically, and about the grading of seeds. Okay, how to pack them and all that, this comes under the the third 1-day training. Okay, So what are the advantages of seed village? First of all, it solves the problem of isolation. See, when we are going for a genetically pure seed, okay, so we need quite a good distance, isolation distance among the plants, so that there is no chance of crossbreeding. Okay, but if the whole village is using the same variety, there is negligible possibility of having any crossbred impurity. Okay, so that is why this problem of isolation is pretty much solved. Second is mechanization is possible from sowing to harvesting, because every growth, every time period of plant would be same everywhere in the village. Okay, because all are sown at the same time, therefore the all the practices that can be performed at one go, and that is why it is possible. Okay, that mechanization is good. Okay, next is post harvest handling of seed is easy basically. So what happens, see, similarly after post harvesting, because all the varieties are same, so every operation is done at the same time, and which reduces the input. Okay, next is yes, again the admixture during the processing. So basically same thing again and again. Okay, because every variety is same, so all the process would be easy to do. Okay, next is seed certification official will cover large area per unit time. So what happens in this particular case, when the officer will come, okay, so he can survey the whole village at the same time. If different farmers grew different things, then they have to come again and again at different time period, but now the time is quite utilized because everybody is growing the same variety. Next is totally it reduces the cost of cultivation. Okay, how the cost of cultivation is reduced, because the whole village is cultivating the same variety. Okay, that is why the input it is divided among the farmers, which eventually reduces the cost of cultivation. And lastly, the seed it will be of high genetic physical purity, because there is no impurity that has been mixed due to crossbreeding or anything like that. I hope the topic is clear. Thank you.